Hello everyone, this is Naomi, and I am really happy to be back with a new video today. I am going to show you a beautiful pair of gold thong mules. They look so shiny and elegant, and they instantly bring a touch of glamour to any simple outfit. I like how the golden color stands out, because it feels both fun and sophisticated at the same time. These heels are light and feminine, and perfect for warm days, or when I want to feel a little extra special. To go with them, I chose beige sheer pantyhose. They have a smooth and soft look that gives a natural tone to the legs, and they match perfectly with the golden heels. This combination feels gentle, comfortable, and pretty ideal for moments when I want to look polished, but still relaxed. I hope you enjoy spending some time with me today, because this try-on feels simple, fresh, and full of light energy from the start. The gold thong mules look amazing from every angle. They have such a smooth, shiny surface that catches the light in a very flattering way. I like how the thin straps hold the feet gently, and the golden tone gives them a soft sparkle that feels both modern and timeless. They are light, easy to walk in, and they make every movement look elegant. Without even trying, this kind of heel has something special that instantly lifts the whole mood and makes me feel confident and graceful. The beige sheer pantyhose add the perfect balance to this look. They are silky soft and give a natural smooth effect to the legs that makes the golden color stand out even more. I really like how this combination feels clean and delicate. It is the kind of match that looks simple at first, but becomes very elegant when you look closer. The pantyhose give a soft glow that blends with the skin tone, while the gold heels bring contrast and shine together. They create a style that is both calm and luxurious, without being too much. This try-on feels warm, fresh, and perfect for anyone who loves light colors and elegant vibes. These gold thong mules have a soft golden shine that makes them stand out in such a pretty way. They feel light, comfortable, and very feminine. The thin straps shape the foot nicely and give that delicate touch that I really enjoy in heels. The heel height feels balanced, so I can move easily and still keep that elegant posture. I like how the gold color catches the light, because it gives a soft sparkle that looks beautiful from every angle. These are the kind of heels that make you feel ready for any moment. They look great for something casual, or for more dressed-up style, without losing comfort. The beige sheer pantyhose make the whole look even more polished. They have a smooth texture and a natural glow that gives the legs a soft, elegant tone. Together with the golden heels, they create a combination that feels bright, warm, and refined. I enjoy the way the sheer pantyhose keep everything subtle and delicate, while the gold shoes bring that extra shine that completes the outfit perfectly. It feels balanced between classy and cheerful, which is what I love the most about this look. I think it shows how simplicity can still look elegant and beautiful when you find the right match. If you like elegant but comfortable heels, you will definitely enjoy this style, and I hope it inspires you to try something new. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe so you can see more of my try-ons and stay updated with everything I share. I love reading your comments, so tell me what colors or types of shoes you want to see next. Thank you so much for spending this moment with me. I always feel happy when we share these little sessions together. I hope you had a nice time, and I will see you very soon.